Okay, so I realize a lot of people do not have a grooming business in their garage like I do. Just giving you a quick little look, but I do. So I'm gonna be trying out these wash machine cleaner tabs. So we launder a ton of towels every single day, and this is supposed to help with like odor, residue, all the, bacteria, gross stuff that gets left behind. And I'm really excited to try these out. I have not used them yet. So we'll put one in our wash machine and get it going. 24 tablets. I thought actually they would be bigger, but that's how big they are. So just unwrap it, throw it in your wash machine. It says do not put it in your soap dispenser. And then it says to run a normal cycle using hot water. I suppose some of us have a action cycle on their machine, so you can use that. So normal cycle with hot water. Definitely looking forward to seeing if I can tell a difference in my machine, because we've never used anything in our wash machines to actually wash them. So I'll come back after the cycle is finished and we'll see how it is. So my washer just stopped. It smells fresh, nice and fresh. Like it worked pretty good. I guess time will tell. Definitely going to continue to use them, keep trying them out. So I may come back at a later point and leave another review. So far, I definitely recommend.